Liam's birthday is coming, so Lisa and Ben want to hold a surprise party for him. Lisa takes care of the cake making. Layla, Lisa's sister, helps her make a birthday cake. Check out the video and follow Lisa's baking process. Hey, next week is Liam's birthday. Oh gosh, is it November next week? Time flies. Yeah, I want to plan a surprise party for him. That's a great idea. We didn't hold a party for Liam last year because he returned to his hometown. Okay, do you have any ideas for it? I'm thinking of a party at his house. No, if we hold a party at his house, it won't be a surprise party anymore. So where should we hold it? We should rent a homestay. I know some beautiful places. Okay, so you will take responsibility for booking the place and decorating. Okay, easy as pie. And I will prepare food and drink. Shall we buy a birthday cake? I could recommend some bakeries. I want to make it by myself. Are you kidding me? You're not able to make cookies. I can try, you know. We should buy it anyway. Do you know Layla? Yeah. She is skilled at cooking, especially baking. Really? I didn't know that. Will she help? I will convince her. No worries. What should we buy? We need cornstarch and all-purpose flour. Okay, what is next? Cooking oil? We have it at home, so we can skip it. Then, unsweetened fresh milk, eggs, sugar, salt, cream of tartar, and whipping cream. We have salt, sugar, and unsweetened fresh milk at home as well. We will need some eggs. Okay, some eggs. You should go to that corner and pick up cream of tartar and whipping cream. Okay, I'm done. And what's your cake flavor? Strawberry? Okay, get a box of strawberries. So what should we do first? First of all, we need to bake a cake. Like sponge cake? Yes, kind of. Pass me cornstarch and flour. Here you are. I will help you weigh them. Then, in a small bowl, combine and mix them together. Okay, I'm done. Add milk and cooking oil together in a bowl. Where's the cooking oil? It is in the cupboard. Ah, it's here. Next, separate the egg whites from the yolks into 2 separate bowls. It's too difficult. I'm afraid the eggshells will drop into the bowl. Let me help you. Cool. Now, beat the egg yolks with cooking oil and milk. Use this mixer. Okay. Then, sift the flour into the mixture. I'm going to use this sieve, am I right? Yeah, good job. Then continue beating them together. We will have a yellowish mixture. That's it, I did it. We have many things to do ahead. What is next? Whisk the egg whites. During whisking, the egg whites first form a froth, then add salt and cream of tartar. Continue whisking them until they turn into thick, snowy foam. When should I stop? When firm peaks have formed, you'll know you are nearly there. Look at it. Yeah, then lower the speed. Mix the 2 mixtures together. Like this? Yeah, you're doing well. Final step. Pour them into a cake pan. If there are large air bubbles, knock the pan a few times to get rid of them. Okay, I'm done. Then bake them in the oven at 175 degrees for about 25 to 35 minutes. Which heating function should I choose? Both top and bottom heat along with the fan heating mode. That button, right? Yep, that's right. Okay, done. Baking a cake is one of the most difficult things I've tried, Layla. Because it is your first time, it is absolutely difficult. When did you learn to bake cakes? I really cannot remember the exact time. Around 3 years ago, I think. Oh my, it has been a long time. But it is still impossible for me to master some types of cake. I don't think I can even bake one more time. Come on, it is really satisfying to see your cakes when they are out of the oven. Okay, I will wait for it. Okay, stop chatting. We should make the frosting right now. Right now? We're waiting for the cake, aren't we? To save time, we have to prepare the frosting now. We can't just stare at the oven, right? No way. Okay, I thought I had time to take a rest. What should we do next? Give me the icing sugar. Icing sugar? I don't think it was on our buying list. Oh my gosh, I forgot to list it. What should we do? Shall I go to the grocery store right now? No. Regular sugar is fine. It's just not as good as icing sugar, but it is okay. Okay. Be careful with this step. Okay, I'm all ears. Pour the whipping cream into a chilled bowl and begin to whisk, moving the cream back and forth across the bowl. The cream will start turning into frothy bubbles and then into a thick liquid. Okay, I'm trying. It seems quite challenging. You can do it. Layla, look at it. I think the whipped cream and water are separated. Let me take a look at it. Here, you ruined it. Calm down, it's fine. This is a common mistake. What should we do now? Let me whisk the other cream. Can you fix it? No. Once whipped cream starts to separate, we can't reunite it. So we need to throw it away? No, we can use it to make butter later. Spread a layer of frosting around the sides and across the top. Okay, we're done. Now we decorate it with strawberries. Oh my, finally! I love decorating. Be careful with the surface of the cake. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Liam. Happy birthday to you. Thanks, everyone. I'm so surprised. Lisa, bring your birthday cake over here. Sure. You know, Lisa made it by herself. Really? She can't even cook. I'm so touched. Lisa, be careful. Oh my gosh. OMG, that scared me out of my wits. Oh dear, it's late. I have to get everything ready soon.